One of the biggest mistake people make when it comes to living healthy is thinking that supplements can fix their bad lifestyle. If you eat poorly, sleep poorly, when I mean poorly, I mean like 4 hours of sleep on a row, weeks, month, you are sleeping 4 hours only, you do not move yourself regularly, you do not eat, a good diet or meals, and you are stressed at all times, my dear, no supplement can save you. And that's because supplements are exactly what the name says, supplements, right? Because they are meant to add to your healthy lifestyle, not to replace it. I could go ahead and recommend some supplements that are actually healthy, and especially if you have some deficiency like inflammation, you could think of your omega 3, vitamin D, your magnesium, your vitamin B12. These are, good supplements that could be okay for you. But before you take the supplements, you need to ask yourself, am I eating well? Am I drinking enough water? Am I moving my body regularly? Do I eat fruits and vegetables well? What about fiber? What about protein? Am I intentional in my eating? Because those habits will do more for your health more than those supplements will ever do. So, my advice to you, my bestie, will be to focus on the basics first: your healthy lifestyle, your eating, your sleeping, your moving your body, focus on those ones. Then use supplements to fill the gaps, not as shortcuts. Don't say I didn't tell you. See you in my next one.